Hey guys, just wanted to take a little video on the new cooling system that I have here. So you might notice it's already a little bit louder. Part of it is this fan right here. This is the fan cooling the DC to DC converter. And I was saving a little space here in the middle to store stuff eventually, but as I started putting stuff in here, I just kind of kept losing space. So this is the new pump. Got everything plumbed in here, had to totally revamp all the plumbing. I changed everything. I actually did it twice because I replaced this pump and put it in the exact same location as the excuse me, the previous pump, but for some reason I was getting airlocks when I using this pump. The other one was able to, the weaker pump was able to fight through it, and it was fine, but it continually got airlocks, so I changed it up. So now it'll be easier. I do have this rubber here, the rubber there, so if it ever breaks again, I'll have an easier time getting it out. So yeah, this is it. So I one of the things I changed is I put the pump immediately after the coolant tank, so it's sucking it right through and then up and over to this new valve that I just bought. This thing's pretty cool. I had to order it from China. It took a while to get here, but it's a three-way zone valve that operates off 12 volts. And so instead of using the lever, the valves that I had in here before, the manual on-off valves, this is going to do it all automatically. And I've just been tinkering with it right here, and it seems to be working great. So it's three-wire. This one is ground. This one, the blue one, is going to be to change it so it goes through the heater in there, and this one, the brown one, is going to send the fluid through the oil cooler here. So far it's all working great. It's my second attempt because, like I said, the airlocks before, but I just thought I'd show you how I changed everything up. And one of my goals tonight is to, maybe tomorrow, is to actually wire this up to the controller. And I added one relay for the cooling, so I had to change things up a little bit to accommodate this. But yeah, so I just added the relay, got everything back together. I'm charging right now, 241 volts, 12.9 amps is coming in, 33 degrees, 32 degrees. Yeah, so right now it is connected in parallel with the Rav4, and the Rav4 is charging. And yeah, so I even tried, this is a pump I have to charge solar hot water systems, and I tried feeding it from, that's another thing I added. I tried feeding it through this and then letting it fill up from the bottom and then go up, and it worked, but as soon as I switched the valve here, I got an airlock. So then I tried filling up slowly with both valves. Like, I did twice, with the valve open one direction, then open the other direction, and I still got an airlock. So that's why I changed everything and redid it. But I do have one of these on both sides of the box now, and this will be nice. So if I ever have to drain the system or anything, then I have those. And then I figure eventually, if I ever do a Tesla battery pack, then all I got to do is a shark bite connector. I have my little tool that you just push that in, take that out, and I could connect a Tesla battery pack to it. But yeah, so everything's back up and running. It took me a while because I was waiting for this part to get in. It took about a month from China, and now I've just got to look for another trip to go on. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy my videos. Feel free to like or subscribe if you feel like it. See ya.